Hi everybody, my name is David and welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove objects from your shot in Premiere Pro. Let's do this! So hi my friend, here we are in Premiere Pro and now I'm gonna show you how to remove this little thing on the top right corner of my screen. So this is a shot of me talking in front of a white wall and I don't like this thing because it's ruining my shot. Let's remove it. In order to do that effectively, you will have to have a steady shot, so your camera is gonna have to stay on a tripod, and we'll have to have some sort of uniform background in your shot. So let's do this. First of all, you have to duplicate your clip. So simply select it, press the Option key or Alt key on your keyboard, and drag it on top of the other clip. So now you have the same clip duplicated, one on top of the other. Now what you want to do is masking the top layer. So select your clip, go to the Effect panel, then go under Opacity and click the square button. A mask will appear right in the center of the screen. So now simply select the point that you want to move, create a smaller square, and place it on top of the object that you want to remove. Adjust a little bit the height and size of the square, like that is pretty good. So now after you create the shape of your mask, you want to increase a little bit your feather, your mask feather, so you will not have a sharp edge on the mask. Okay, now simply press inverted on your mask properties. Alright, now go to the bottom layer in your timeline, select it, go under Position, take the Y axis and move it up. And that's it, you remove the object from your shot. Alright, let's try another one. Here we have another shot with our actor in a lab, and let's say that we want to remove this yellow label. We do the same thing. So step 1, duplicate your clip. Go to the top layer, under Opacity click the square button, position it on top of your label, then select the shape of your mask. If you need to be more precise, go under here and press like for example 200%. You can zoom in and be more precise. So let's do it a little bit better. Try to keep the feather outside the label. Okay, in this case, because we have a line right here, you see this line, you don't want to feather the mask because otherwise you will see some artifacts right here. So decrease the mask feather. Let's try 5, then reposition the mask. Okay, let's try like that. So now that you shape your mask, simply click inverted, then go to the bottom layer and move the mask, move the clip in order to find the right spot. That's it, seems good to me. Now as you can see, our mask is pretty good, but you can still see the shape. You can see the shape a little bit of two different colors. So in order to fix it, let's go under the Color tab, and here you can adjust a little bit your exposure and contrast in order to match the color. So let's decrease a little bit the exposure, just a touch. So for example 0.1, minus 0.1 of course. All right, let's try to increase a little bit our contrast. Let's see, like that. And as you can see now, the mask is pretty invisible. So that's it, simply as that. Remember that you have to have a steady shot and a pretty uniform background in order to do this kind of technique. Otherwise you will have to use Photoshop or After Effects. But if you are in a hurry and you can apply this simple thing, it's gonna save you a lot of time. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!